this experiment, take an empty water bottle, a bottle of vinegar, baking soda, a funnel, and last but not the least, a balloon. So these are the required materials for this experiment. Let's get to the procedure now. Open the lid of an empty bottle. Now take the vinegar bottle, open it and pour the vinegar into the empty bottle. Keep on pouring the vinegar until the bottle gets half filled with vinegar. Once done, close the vinegar bottle and put it aside. After this, we'll get the balloon and funnel. Attach the balloon with the funnel. We'll be using funnel to add the baking soda into the balloon. Now add baking soda into it. Keep on adding until the balloon gets completely filled with baking soda. Shake the funnel and stretch the balloon so that balloon gets completely filled with baking soda and there is no baking soda left behind in funnel. Once done, lift up the balloon to dump the baking soda into the bottle filled with vinegar. Now attach the balloon on top of the bottle. So, are you ready for the reaction? 3, 2, 1, let's go. You can see the balloon instantly blows up with gas due to the reaction of baking soda with vinegar. To get the most gas out of it, we shake the bottle to get it all going. To add some fun to it, take a pin and burst the balloon with it. In slow motion, you can see the leftover baking soda particles into the air. So this was the experiment. Hope you liked it. For more fun videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.